Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create simple column chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, order ID and total price. So here I'm going to create simple column chart. So simply select the data, so you can just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Then go to the insert tab and then in charts group have a column charts option. You can see this is a column chart. When you keep cursor on this option, here the option name is showing insert column chart. Okay, just click on this drop down arrow and here the 2D column chart and 3D column chart is available. Okay, just keep cursor on the chart and you can see the preview of the chart in Excel. Okay, simply select it and click on it. That's it. Here you can see the simple column chart is created. Okay, with this chart design tab also added and format tab also added. You can use the chart design tab to design your chart. So there are some chart style also available. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the style those you want. There are different styles available. When you keep cursor on and see the changes on your chart, you can check here the preview of the chart style. So I simply click the one chart style. So I select this one and that's it. Here you can see your chart style also changed. Okay. In format, you can use this option to formatting the text on this chart in title and other details. Okay. So this is the way you can create the simple column chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.